Are you struggling to lose weight and constantly feeling hungry? Do you want to know the secret of foods that contain almost zero calories? Well, you're in luck because today's video is all about foods that are perfect for weight loss and will keep you feeling full without packing on the pounds. You might be surprised to know that there are some foods that contain very few calories, but are still packed with nutrients that can help you lose weight. These foods are not only healthy, but they also provide a great way to add variety to your diet. Eating foods that are almost calorie-free means you can eat more without worrying about gaining weight. These foods can help you feel full, provide important nutrients, and reduce your overall calorie intake. By incorporating these foods into your daily diet, you can lose weight without feeling hungry or deprived. So, without further ado, let's take a look at the top foods that contain almost zero calories. Number 1. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are incredibly low in calories, with only 16 calories in 1 cup of sliced cucumbers. They are also high in water content, making them a great addition to any diet as they help to keep you hydrated. Additionally, cucumbers contain fiber, vitamin C and K, and potassium. They are also a versatile ingredient that can be added to salads, sandwiches, or eaten as a snack on their own. Number 2. Celery. Another food that is almost calorie-free is celery. One large stalk of celery contains only 10 calories. Similar to cucumbers, celery is high in water content, making it a great food to incorporate into your diet. Celery is also high in fiber, vitamin K, and folate. It can be eaten raw, cooked, or used as a crunchy addition to salads. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient-dense food that is low in calories, with only 55 calories in 1 cup of chopped broccoli. It is an excellent source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Additionally, broccoli contains powerful antioxidants that can help to protect against cancer and other chronic diseases. It can be steamed, roasted, or added to soups and stir-fries. Number 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are low in calories, with only 22 calories in 1 medium-sized tomato. They are a good source of vitamin C and K, as well as potassium. Tomatoes also contain lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. They can be eaten raw, cooked, or used as a base for sauces and soups. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel below. It helps us reach more like-minded people, and we greatly appreciate your support. Let's get back to our video. Number 5. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in calories, with only 15 calories in 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. They are also high in protein and fiber, making them a filling addition to any meal. Additionally, mushrooms are a good source of B vitamins, selenium, and potassium. They can be added to salads, stir-fries, or used as a meat substitute in dishes like mushroom burgers. Number 6. Zucchini. Zucchini is a low-calorie vegetable with only 20 calories in 1 cup of sliced zucchini. It is also high in water content and a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. Zucchini can be eaten raw, grilled, or roasted, and can be used in a variety of dishes, including pasta and soups. Number 7. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that is low in calories, with only 25 calories in 1 cup of chopped cauliflower. It is also high in fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. Additionally, cauliflower contains compounds that have been linked to a reduced risk of cancer. It can be roasted, mashed, or used as a substitute for rice or pizza crust. Number 8. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a low-calorie fruit with only 52 calories in 1 medium-sized grapefruit. It is also high in vitamin C and fiber, making it a filling addition to any meal. Additionally, grapefruit contains compounds that have been shown to help with weight loss. It can be eaten on its own or added to salads and smoothies. Number 9. Watermelon. Watermelon is a refreshing fruit that is low in calories, with only 46 calories in 1 cup of diced watermelon. It is also high in water content, making it a great food to help you stay hydrated. Watermelon is also a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as potassium. It can be eaten on its own or used in salads and smoothies. Number 10. Asparagus. Asparagus is a low-calorie vegetable with only 27 calories in 1 cup of cooked asparagus. It is also high in fiber and has a high water content, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. Fiber helps to promote feelings of fullness and satisfaction, which can prevent overeating and snacking between meals. Additionally, asparagus is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as folate and potassium, which can support overall health and well-being. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you lose weight and stay healthy. So, the next time you're looking for a low-calorie snack or meal, reach for one of these foods and enjoy all the benefits they have to offer. So there you have it, the best 10 zero-calorie foods for weight loss. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. And if you have any tips for incorporating these foods into your diet or any other low-calorie foods that you love, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.